Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Christian Ray. Guys, let's take a moment to appreciate this queen. Just kidding. Guys, I'm so excited. And yes, for today's tutorial, it's going to be this smoky eye makeup look. Guys, I know it looks like it's hard to do, but it's really very simple. You can achieve it definitely. After this video, you'll be able to learn how to do this. That's definite. Cause I don't know, I'm becoming this person. Oh my goodness. So without further ado, let's jump right into the video. Alright, so as you can see guys, tapos na ako mag-browse so that we can focus on the smoky eye tutorial. So for today's product, I have here the Inglot. It's in collaboration with Jennifer Lopez. These are, I have 4 shades in my hands here. I bought this one it was on sale. It's around 500 plus, but I got it for 290 plus only. I think it was 50% off, and I really do love this product. It's very pigmented. And okay, for smoky eye tutorial guys, we need at least 3 colors. So I have here 3 shades. We have our transition shades. This is this warm brown. Then for our second color, or we have a deeper brown here with a red undertone, and then we also need the black. So I go for something like a black with meron siyang specks ng glitters para mas masaya. So at least we have those 3 colors, and also we have the 3 colors from Inglot, and I'll be using this one color as well. This one for our base. So first thing that we're going to do, we are going to prime our lid, and then we can use this concealer to prime our lid. So pack ko lang siya sa lid ko. And if you notice guys, wala pa akong base, wala pa akong, what do you call this one? Wala pa tayong foundation. So it's best talaga, especially for smoky eyes, na gumawa to do the eye makeup muna bago yung base natin. Kasi so that you can clean it up after if meron ka mga mistakes or maraming fallouts, pwede mo siyang linisin pa. Unlike kapag nandyan na yung base natin, madudumihan yung base natin, especially if you're going to use black eyeshadow. Kasi kapag nag-fall out siya, mabilis siyang mag-stick sa mga mag-stain sa ating base. So, linisin ko lang yan. I'll use this one lang, itong base product natin to set my lids. Nalagyan natin concealer para later on smooth yung pag-light natin na or pag-apply natin ng ating mga eyeshadows. So as much as possible guys, pinaka-close up color, skin color nyo yung gagamitin. Lagay ko lang siya. Ito na lang. Yung concealer kasi mag-help to cancel yung mga kung may veins kasi sa mata, yung visible na mga darkness sa mata natin. So yung concealer will help to even out that skin color ng eyelids natin. Now we're done with that, and using the same brush, it's very simple lang guys, and the key to this technique is just to blend. So we have 3 colors, tas i-blend lang natin sila. So first, I have this, yung lightest natin, yung brown natin na which will be our transition shade. Tapos, i-focus ko lang siya dito sa crease area natin. Itong crease, yan, yung may brow bone. Itong crease area na to. Ito, yung sockets. Tapos, i-build up ko lang siya dyan. Yan, dahan-dahan lang. Gusto mo nang tignan-tignan din sa salamin or tignan mo rin straight, parang buka yung mata mo, tapos tignan mo straight sa salamin kung tama ba yung height noong eyeshadow na nilagay mo. Kasi you don't want to put too much naman din dito na mawala na yung fade effect or gradient effect. So we have to keep that one at least here bago mag-brow bone. Ay, bago itong pinakataas ng or beginning ng iyong eyebrows. So the key to this, guys, blend lang talaga. Blend lang natin siya, i-build up natin siya slowly. Build pa natin siya ulit. The key to this is building the product at saka tawag dito, blending. So i-build and blend. Build and blend, yan. So parang circular motion lang siya, guys. Circular motion lang. Ikot natin siya dyan. Kasi with that, ma-achieve talaga natin yung layer or yung fade effect. Yun naman yung para sa Smokey talaga. Yung meron siyang fade effect. Fina-focus ko muna siya dito sa sockets natin. Bine-blend natin siya. Tapos saka natin siya bine-blend outward. Para doon pa sa saka na siya i-blend outward para mag-fan pa siya. Yung mag-fan out pa yung product. Don't worry kung lalagpas ka dyan kasi later on we are going to clean it up pa naman. So that's a good thing kung wala ka pa nilagay na foundation or wala ka pang base. Now, let's go to that deeper brown. Ito, brown. So we are going to use this small blending brush, taper din siya, para i-target yung areas dito. So, itong color na to, ipapack na natin. So, ipo-focus na natin siya dito sa sockets. Hindi natin siya masyadong i-blend outward para hindi niya matabunan yung fade effect nitong ating transition color. Yung first color na nilagay natin. So, build natin to sa sockets. Same, circular motion, tapos blending. Blending is the key. So huwag kayo mapagod mag-blend, guys, kasi yun talagang mag-show up. Para dun talaga that's the key talaga to show up yung faded effect or yung smoky effect ng ating eyeshadows. Now, let's get yung first brush natin na may nilagyan natin itong transition shade. Tapos, try natin i-blend yung edges. This will help mag-blend yung dalawang product or dalawang color and magkaroon siya ng faded effect. I think I'm happy now of how these two products blended together. So we are going to put naman our black eyeshadow. This one, you can choose pure black lang or ako may specs ng konti para may kinang. And then, but before that, guys, we are going to apply sa lid natin para makuha natin intensity ng black. Kasi minsan patchy or hindi masyadong, minsan kasi hindi natin nakukuha yung payoff talaga ng black. So, we are going to use a gel liner as our base. So, may gel liner ako dito. Then, I'm going to pack this one dito sa lid natin para makuha natin yung stark color ng black before we put on our black eyeshadow. So, lagay ko lang yung sa gel liner. Pack ko lang siya dito. Now we have completely placed na the eyeliner onto our lid. It's time for us to put on that black eyeshadow. Kasi blend lang natin siya ng konti para seamless sila. Alright, I think guys, I'm definitely okay na with this. We'll clean na lang the edges. So we'll clean the edges, we'll use this wipes. Mag-wipes lang tayo. So para maayos natin yung shape. Saka malinis na ito yung under eye natin. So this is the reason why, guys. Nilagay natin yung eye makeup muna before mag foundation. Para malinis natin yung edges. Ayan. So I think I'm happy na with that. So guys, I'm happy na with our eyes. Now, we are going to transfer all those products naman, yung colors na yun sa lower, here, sa lower lash line natin. But before we're going to do that, maglagay na tayo ng foundation. So, I'll be right back. So guys, we're back. So parang, basically, we're almost done na. Actually, I did everything na sa mukha ko. By the way, I put on a foundation. Darker than my skin tone kasi I really want to achieve that morena look, that morena goddess look. So yeah, ayun. So now we are going to line na our eyes. Yan pa rin yung eyes natin kanina, guys. I did not touch it. Naglagay lang ako ng face lang yung ginawa ko kanina. So we're going to tight line naman our eyes now. Nalagay tayo ng cold eyeliner para mawala yung gap na white sa ating lash line. So kailangan talaga na purong black siya. So the other side. And let's proceed naman din sa lower lash line. Let's put a tight line din tayo. Smoke out natin siya ulit. Lagyan natin siya dito. Shucks, naluluha ako. Cause you make me shine, shine. There's a light from the heaven. Shine, shine. You keep me shining through. shine, shine. Okay, and then we'll use that dark brown, this color again. Sorry, smoke out pa natin. Cause you make me shine, shine. Then let's use our lightest color, this transition shade. Now, I'm going to curl our lashes and then put on some mascara and also false lashes. And I'll be right back. Boom. See, I told you guys, sobrang bilis ng gawin ng eye makeup na to. So, yeah. But yeah, the eye makeup is so good. No? And now that you know how to do it, guys, let's have a party. Guys, thank you so much for watching again my video. For those who haven't yet, please do subscribe and like my videos. And yeah, I'll see you soon for another makeup tutorial and transformation. Nation. I don't know how to edit na echo kaya ako na lang. Nation.